Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the shake effect transition in CapCut. So you need to add two photos to CapCut and then just go to video effects and find nightclub and add the shake effect. Adjust the speed into 70 and the intensity into 15. Click on a check icon, then place the effect in between the photo like this. Okay, and then after that, copy the effect and place the copied version at the bottom line with the first one. Okay, and go to video effects again. Find the opening and closing, and then select the slanted blur. Click on a check icon, then place it the same as the first two effects like this. Then after that, add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the photos. So here like this, and then at the first keyframe you need to zoom in the photo like this, and at the second keyframe move the photo down like this. Okay, and then go in between the keyframes and go to grabs, then select the flow 1. Okay, click on a check icon and then repeat the same steps for the second photo. Okay, so zoom in like this, then bring the photo down at the second keyframe. Go to grabs and select the flow 1, and then you are done with the shake transition. Here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.